So we're in the last week before cat. This is the last week, a very important week. And if you watched my last video, I've already informed you that for you, the optimum strategy to make the most of your cat is that if in this week you remain calm, you work on your mindset instead of working on how much you know about quant, how much you know about DILR, how much you know about VARC. Therefore, I've advised you in this week to not take a mock test at max 1 just to keep yourself in the match practice, but this week is about enjoying yourself, making yourself feel good. And for this, I have a special thing for you which you must see if you haven't already. How about I take you on a journey to IIM Ahmedabad so that you can watch the B school, you can watch everywhere around that B school and feel motivated about your outcomes from CAT. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur, and let's get on with the video. Now, those of you who've been following me, who've been following my channel may already know this, but a lot of you may have no idea about this. That I always say to you that a very important thing for you is to visualize, for you to get to your goals. It's about how constantly and how regularly do you visualize the outcomes which you want. And for this, if you are a genuine cat aspirant who believes that yes, he can make it, he or she can make it to one of the top B schools, for example, IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, IIM Calcutta, then it's very important for you to start to visualize yourself at those places, for you to start in your head walking down those classroom corridors, walking down those hostel rooms, and where not. It's very important for you to start imagining these things. That will propel you towards achieving your goal much faster. Now, just for this, what I have for you is that, and what my special advice to you is that in this week, this is exactly what you need to do, and I'll make it very simple for you. On my YouTube channel, I have entire series of vlogs where I've vlogged, where I've gone to IIM Ahmedabad. I've stayed at that campus for more than a week, and I've vlogged my entire experience in around 5 to 7 vlogs from IIM Ahmedabad campus. Therefore, what I just want to remind you of is that if you're somebody who wants to visualize, then this is what you need to do. This is my channel, and on this channel, just scroll down a bit, you will see this playlist called MBA Vlogs. Now, this playlist has a lot of vlogs in them. It has around 27, 28 vlogs in it. Now, the vlog one, the very first vlog, it starts from when I went to Dubai for around a month. You can choose to watch these vlogs right from the first vlog, wherein I share with you that what is the life of an entrepreneur after MBA from an IIM. What is the life of somebody like me who chooses to do entrepreneurship, who chooses to build his own something after MBA. I've shared all of my experiences over here. However, as you keep on scrolling down, keep on watching all of these, when you get to vlog number 21, all of these vlogs from vlog number 21 till 27, these 7 vlogs are from IIM Ahmedabad. In these vlogs, you will see the entire campus of IIMA, you will see the entire student life, the experience. For example, in the vlog number 22, I share with you some secrets about IIMA. In vlog number 23, I give you a sneak peek of the actual IIM Ahmedabad hostel room, and in vlog number 25, I show you the library at IIM Ahmedabad. So if you are a genuine cat aspirant who wants to visualize, then probably these are the vlogs which you need to watch. These are the vlogs that will truly make things really good for you, because you will be able to visualize a lot of these things. I just want to remind you, to channelize you, that instead of wasting your time probably watching something else, watch something which will propel you much closer towards your goal, so that you're much more clearer and you can feel the hunger within you that yes, you need to truly crack cat. I'll see you in the next video on your run up to the cat, and I wish you all the best. Thanks a lot and goodbye.